Welcome to DJ.
E don burst o. Apapa led fashion for Labour Party don scatter ground again o.
Correct people, we greet una. We welcome una to DJN TV where ogbonge tori and update dey shele. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe o, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime wey be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And also make una don't forget to follow us our Facebook page o. Anyway, make we quickly enter the tori wey we carry come for una.
Dis Lamidi Apapa group for inside Labour Party wey Nigerians bin dey think say dey don rest for the whole katakata wey dey start for inside Labour Party don come out with another level again o. Dis time dem dey ask Peter Obi to withdraw from im case for Tribunal, say e no get any stolen mandate o, say e come Labour Party come spoil am to deceive Nigerians, say e come Labour Party without shishi to support the party or even the election sef. Dis one wey dis Lamidi Apapa group take come out so na fire. Una need to see dis video and hear wetin dey talk dis time around. Make una watch the video.
We have also filed appeal against the Presidential Election Tribunal, where they said Peter Obi should represent Labour Party. We have filed appeal at the Supreme Court against that judgment, because the Supreme Court is very clear that parties have the right to present their own counsel. If we had our own counsel, out of 12 that they paid, they will not be telling the court that 2 were sick. What happened to the 10? Were their mouth amputated or their leg amputated? That they could not go ahead with the matter, only for them to now be asking that they have to give them time, and they know this matter actually time bound. So for us, we have concluded that Obi came to our party with nothing. He didn't fund the election. He didn't fund the party. He didn't do anything for the party. He only came to make the entire process up and to deceive Nigerians that he has something to offer them. 3 days ago, they claim with the array of over 10 SAN, they claim that 2 of their counsel were sick. And yesterday, they could not even file a process properly with the array of SAN put together by the corrupt Abure himself. This, we have been saying that even the court granted them 10 minutes to go and put their house in order yesterday. And after the 10 minutes, they came back. They were seen unable to properly file that paper. And this is what we have been saying, that they were just trying to hoodwink the public, deceiving the obedient and giving them false hope that they have something at the tribunal. How on earth will Mr. Peter Obi, despite the hope he's giving Nigeria, allow the 5 justices to pass a verdict that Labour Party is not serious and we are wasting the time of the court? It is evident from the attitude displayed by them when they wrote that letter to INEC that Obi could not pay 1.5 million. Who are they deceiving? Counsel was sick. Who are they deceiving? Just 2 out of many of them, they stole a court process when time is already against our party. They are aware that election process are sui generis. It doesn't wait for anybody. And yesterday, like I said, the court had to give them a stand down of 10 minutes to fight their process, but they came back and you heard what the court told them, that they are not serious. So where is the stolen mandate that we are running after when the 5 justices unanimously passed that verdict that Mr. Peter Obi is not serious? Labour Party is hereby calling on him to get stepped down from his selfish ambition and stop messing up the party if he has nothing serious to present to the tribunal. He was the one that said the mandate was stolen, but Obi has not been able to provide any concrete evidence to back up this claim, because himself and the co-traveler had different intentions against the wishes of Nigerian masses who freely offer their support for Labour Party. If a court is telling Obi and a dozen of SAN that they are paid over 3 billion naira to from our stolen money, it shows it's not serious. It is not reason for Nigeria to ask Obi what exactly is his mission at the court. That is why he has filed appeal at the Election Tribunal, because we knew that Obi and his team of lawyers are only playing to the gallery. They have nothing to offer rather than making frantic effort, looking for every means to share the money donated by Nigeria for our campaign.
Hey my people, now wow, this thing don dey long o, no be small thing o. These people dey really wahala. See Labour Party o, see these people, dem mean business no be small. My people, how una see this matter? How una reason am? Make una drop una comment for the comment section and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ